Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook spicy tofu salad. This is a new way to cook tofu. It is easy and tasty. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to tear the tofu into small pieces using our hands. Now boil some water. When the water boils, add some salt into the pot. Then add the tofu. Let the tofu cook for around 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and take the tofu out. Now cut some scallions, coriander, and green pepper. Add them into the bowl. For the seasoning, we need 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half spoon of broad bean paste, half spoon of chili oil. Mix well and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.